This beautiful 3+1 bed, 2 full washroom, 2-car garage, detached home sits on over 1 acre land with 77 feet front by approx 570 feet deep lot. This charming country home is ideally located just minutes to Waterdown and Burlington, close to all amenities, shopping, grocery, restaurants, schools, and much more. This home comes with lots of updates and features like a standby emergency gas-powered generator, brand new greenhouse, hardwood floors, cove molding, and spacious kitchen with concrete countertops, solid hardwood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and fully finished functional basement with a bedroom, den, and a living space. Walk out to backyard that extends approximately 570 feet, offering peaceful serenity. Features include a fire pit, several options for seating and eating, a large vegetable garden, chicken coop, and a fence in space for pets.